Virtually every vehicle you see on the road today is equipped with wheel hub bearing assemblies. Understanding what they do and how to tell if they need replacement is important to keep your vehicle operating safely on the road. At GSP, we supply you with new high-quality parts so you don't have to worry about the reliability or safety of your vehicle. Wheel hub assemblies have a very important job. They allow your wheels to turn, and they serve the vital role of bearing the weight of your vehicle at all times. Because of the nature of the wheel hub and bearing assembly, they're prone to wearing out and needing replacement over time. There are signs to look and listen for that can warn you if your wheel hub assembly needs to be replaced. Vibrations in the steering wheel, grinding or growling noise while turning, or rumbling and humming while driving straight are all signs of a worn-out wheel hub assembly. At GSP, we pride ourselves in quality control. Every hub assembly is extensively inspected to ensure your new parts have a long service life. And 100% of our ABS leads are tested to ensure they work properly. GSP's IATF 16949 manufacturing process certification and industry-leading cataloging ensures a proper fit right out of the box. If a high-quality replacement assembly is not used, problems such as instability in the steering and suspension, malfunctioning anti-lock brakes, shorter service life, excessive noise and vibration, and wheels becoming disconnected are just a few of the problems that can occur. GSP wheel hub assemblies are made from high-quality components and materials. They're built to provide you with a safe, secure, and stable ride. With any installation, you should always follow factory torque specifications and procedures. Improper installation may result in damage of the new part. No one wants to be broken down on the side of the road because of a low-grade part. That's why we ensure every GSP wheel hub and bearing assembly is built to last. Check out gspnorthamerica.com for more information and to order a new high-quality wheel hub assembly for your vehicle.